Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Pokemon Go spoofer on your device, no jailbreak and no computer, completely for free. So this will give you the bar on the right side of the screen that shows you all the nearby Pokemon. You can change the speed your character walks, have the joystick point in a certain direction. There's a whole teleport system where you can go anywhere in the world. And this will allow you, if you live on a farm or something really far away, not many Pokemon are showing up, maybe you live in a town, you caught them all, well, there's going to be new Pokemon for you because you can actually go ahead and teleport to different countries. And no, you cannot get banned. I've been using this for at least 4 months, and I have been all right. So as you can see, I'm walking with the joystick right now, and that's just crazy because I'm sitting in my chair. I'm not even moving. And these are the hotspots, top locations in the Pokemon world. These are real places. We got Dallas, Disney World, Greece, Hong Kong, and as you can see, I just teleported, and the game is tricked. It thinks I'm there. Pokemon, Pokestops, all that stuff in that location is available. So if there is a Pokemon exclusive to China and you live in the United States, you can catch it that way without getting a plane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super cool. So if you're using an iPhone, go to settings, and once you're there, we're going to go to general and make sure we got background app refresh turned on. This should be on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now honestly, it doesn't matter, but make sure it's on one of those. So once you've done that, guys, just go back and go to battery and make sure you got your low power mode turned off. Now you'll know this is on because the battery percentage will be yellow, so make sure low power mode is turned off. Finally, go to App Store and make sure you got your automatic downloads on. This should be on by default. So now all we have to do is go to the site where we're actually going to download the Pokemon Go spoofer. So the site is called appsdud.com. Has a bunch of mods for apps and games. Let me just type it in right here. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Pokemon Go. Now this site does feature a lot of cool stuff. It has all the apps that are popular at the top, and then down here you can see everything, and then of course there's the search bar. Now most of these apps are actually pretty high rated, and none of these are on the App Store. They're secret mods like TikTok, Spotify Premium, a lot of cool stuff. So I'm going to go to the search bar and type in Pokemon Go. And as you can see, it comes right up. So you just want to go ahead and press on it, and then just press the button that says download now. And just wait until the bar reaches the end, and it should download straight onto your device. So as you can see, it says processing. So I'm just going to give it a minute for it to go ahead and finish here. As you guys can see, I think the biggest thing right now is if you left the website, it would probably stop working. So just stay on the site, guys, and you should be all good to go. So let's just give it a second for it to go ahead and finish loading here, as you guys can see. So it says starting injection. All right. So the final step is to do a quick verification. We just have to download 2 apps and complete instructions. These are completely for free, and they're from the official App Store. So I'm just going to download 2 of these apps, and we should be all set. Now, bear in mind, guys, I don't know what the apps are going to be for your country. They do differ depending on where you live. These are just the ones that showed up for me. So I'm going to do CyberGhost VPN as my first app. It's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to take me to the App Store right here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and download it. So while this is downloading, guys, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download the second app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps to make sure that this works. So for my second app, I'm going to go ahead and download Evertail. It's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to take me to the App Store here, as you guys can see. And now I'm going to go to my home screen and just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So the VPN's already done, so I'm going to open it up. And you don't have to buy anything on these apps, guys. I don't care if it says start 7-day trial. You don't have to buy anything. So just do basic interactions, just touching around. Super simple stuff, and it should work. So I'm just going to go ahead and scroll through here, as you guys can see. So it's pretty simple. So yeah, we're done now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and go back, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other app, which is the Evertail. And this one's a game. I understand some of you guys might be like, whoa, I never played the game before. That's all right. You just have to do interactions. You don't have to be level 100. So I'm just going to let this load here, as you guys can see, and I'm just going to play through it. So yeah, it's pretty awesome, guys. Be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out with this method. Because I know there's so many people and they're like, how do I get the Pokemon Go spoofer? Well, this is the only working website where you can actually download it, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. So I'm just going to run this a bit more. I think we're done. So it's really not rocket science or anything, guys. It's pretty simple. So anyways, once you're done, guys, you should have your Pokemon Go spoofer, and you can actually go ahead and use the joystick and walk around. And of course, you got that bar, which will show us which Pokemon are closest to us, which is pretty handy. You can actually click on those and teleport to them. There's also enhanced throw. So if you guys don't know what that is, it's a 100% catch rate when you catch Pokemon. Now this can glitch out and the Pokemon can escape. And you do have to throw the ball right, but as long as you do that, you should catch it first try. So let's see, we got 3 little things to get through. Let's see if we get it. So 1, 2, and I hope it works. All right, it looks like it worked, and we caught the Pokemon. So it's pretty awesome, guys. It's going to save you a lot of Pokeballs, to be sure. So try it out, guys. I know everyone's like, how do I get it? Well, this is the website. Give it a shot. Go to it today, and you'll have Pokemon Go spoofer. I'll see you later. Peace out.